Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your time zone for your Etsy shop. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you run an Etsy store and you happen to move locations where you're in a different time zone. How do you actually go ahead and change the time zone of your Etsy shop? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Etsy. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on Account Settings. Now on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Settings again, then scroll down and then click on Options. Now underneath Shop Options, you want to scroll all the way down until it says Current Time Zone. So this is where you can set your shop time zone, and this is where you can change the time zone here to match the time zone that you live in. Afterwards, click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your time zone for your Etsy shop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.